Okay guys, here's our Thanksgiving bird. We did not get a turkey, but it is a nice rotisserie chicken. We baked it. My husband made the stuffing all around. Doesn't it look delicious? Yummy, yummy. Look at that. He did a great job. All right. So that's our meat or poultry for Thanksgiving. And we definitely can't forget our homegrown greens. These are collard greens and mustard greens mixed. And we grew that over the summer. So look at that, greens. We didn't put any meat or anything like that in it. But it is seasoned and it will be delicious. And this, guys, are yellow turnips, or my family traditionally called them rutabagas. That's what my mom called them. So I just got finished cooking them. I just added some butter and some black pepper, no salt, because the salt will make your pressure go up. So I got to control that pressure. So these are our rutabagas. This is a little yellow rice that my husband made, and it's just for me and him. So what you see is just a small portion that's left. We made the rice yesterday, and yeah, so we're having rice along with our food. Okay, guys. And my hubby made some cornbread. Look at that up there at the top. I told him, that's exactly what I want. And we use the brown. We use the wheat stuff. We don't use the white flour, the white corn flour, any of that kind of stuff to make anything. We use the wheat. All right, so that's our cornbread. I told him I wanted that top up there. Look at that. I generally love the ends, but this looks so good. All right. So let me cover that back up and show you something else. And these, guys, are yams. I made it with, I used cinnamon, nutmeg, and instead of using white sugar this time, I used honey. I use honey to sweeten up the taste, to make them taste like yams. And, yeah, like candied yams. All right, so anyway, so these are the yams, and you see they're nice and brown and smoky, and they have juice in them because I did add some juice to them. And, yeah, we're going to have a great meal. All right, guys, thank you for joining me.